Retro Car. Welcome to Retro Car. Here, we test your knowledge of rare retro cars. The rules are simple. You'll see an image of a car and 4 answer options. Choose the correct one to earn points. Can you guess them all? Subscribe, hit like, and share your results in the comments. Let's go.
Question 1. Which 1960s American muscle car is considered the first of its kind? A. 1964, Ford Mustang. B. 1968, Dodge Charger, RT. C. 1965, Pontiac GTO. D. 1967, Chevrolet Camaro SS. Correct answer C. 1965 Pontiac GTO. Fun fact: the Pontiac GTO is considered the first true muscle car, setting the foundation for this powerful class of vehicles.
Friends, welcome to my channel. Help me reach an important goal, 500 subscribers. Subscribe right now to support me and inspire the creation of new content. Your support means so much to me.
Question 2. Which European sports car of the 1960s had a revolutionary mid-engine layout? A. 1966, Lamborghini Miura. B. 1963, Porsche 911. C. 1969, Ferrari Dino 206 GT. D. 1962, Jaguar E-Type. Correct answer A. 1966, Lamborghini Miura. Fun fact: the Miura was the first production car with a mid-mounted V12 engine, making it a pioneer among supercars. Question 3. Which American car was known for its unusual rotary engine? A. 1967, Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. B. 1969, Ford Torino Talladega. C. 1964, Pontiac Tempest. D. 1964, Chevrolet Corvair Monza. The correct answer, D. 1964, Chevrolet Corvair Monza. Fun fact: the Corvair featured an unusual rear engine layout and an air-cooled flat-six engine, making it unique among American cars. Question 4. Which iconic British sports car of the 1960s was called the most beautiful car in the world by Enzo Ferrari? A. 1961, Aston Martin DB 4 GT Zagato. B. 1962, Jaguar E-Type. C. 1965, Triumph Spitfire. D. 1968, Lotus Elan. Correct answer B. 1962, Jaguar E-Type. Fun fact: with its elegant design and high speed, the E-Type became a 1960s icon and remains a highly desirable classic today. Question 5. Which American muscle car earned the nickname King of the Road due to its NASCAR victories? A. 1969, Dodge Charger Daytona. B. 1966, Ford GT40. C. 1965, Shelby Cobra 427. D. 1969, Plymouth Roadrunner. Correct answer A. 1969, Dodge Charger Daytona. Fun fact: the Daytona was specifically designed for NASCAR and became the first car to break the 200-mile-per-hour mark on the track. Question 6. Which 1960s Italian car was Ferrari's first mid-engine supercar? A. 1968 Ferrari 365 GTB/4 Daytona. B. 1969 Ferrari Dino 246 GT. C. 1967 Ferrari 275 GTB/4. D. 1964 250 GTO. Correct answer B. 1969 Ferrari Dino 246 GT. Fun fact: although the Dino was not officially named a Ferrari, It laid the foundation for all future mid-engine models from the brand. Question 7. Which American car from the 1960s became famous for its role in the movie Bullitt starring Steve McQueen? A. 1968 Ford Mustang, GT 390 Fastback. B. 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS. C. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. D. 1966 Dodge Charger RT. Correct answer, A. 1968 Ford Mustang GT 390 Fastback. Fun fact, the Mustang from Bullitt is one of the most famous movie cars in history, and its chase scene is legendary. Question 8. Which 1960s French car was known for its innovative hydropneumatic suspension? A. 1965 Renault 16. B. 1962 Citroën DS19. C. 1968 Peugeot 504. D. 1969 Simca 1100. Correct answer, B. 1962 Citroën DS19. Fun fact, the DS was so technologically advanced that its hydropneumatic suspension provided incredible comfort in handling. Question 9. Which iconic German car of the 1960s laid the foundation for the BMW M Performance lineup? A. 1968 BMW 2002 TII. B. 1966 BMW 1600 GT. C. 1969 BMW 2800 CS. D. 1965 BMW 1800 Ti SA. Correct answer, A. 1968 BMW 2002 Ti. Fun fact, the BMW 2002 was the ancestor of all future sporty BMW models, including the legendary M3 and M5. Question 10. Which 1960s European supercar earned the nickname Ferrari Killer? A. 1966 Ford GT40. B. 1968 Lamborghini Espada. C. 1965 Iso Grifo. D. 1969 Di Tommaso Mangusta. Correct answer, A. 1966 Ford GT40. Fun fact, the GT40 was built specifically to defeat Ferrari at the 24 Hours of Le Mans and won the legendary race 4 times in a row.
Results: 10 points. Amazing. You're a true car connoisseur. 8 to 9 points. Impressive. You really know your classic cars. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning, and you'll be a pro in no time. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. No worries. Better luck next time. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting